Okay, before the video, please put the volume up because it recorded in really small volume. So I'm really sorry for that. And also don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hi guys, and in today's videos I will be playing PvP, but every time I die I've got to switch language. Okay, so I can speak Czech, Slovak, English, a little bit of German, a little bit of Italian. So we will see how it goes. But yeah, mainly I will be switching English, Slovak, Czech. So let's go. I hope I don't die because yeah, I'm not good at PvP. Okay. Okay. Instant damage. Oh no. He gave me weakness. I will die. Alright. So Slovak it is. Okay. Ideme. Okay, niekto sa snaží byť Clown Pierce. Ideme sa pozrieť, ako mu ide PvP. OK. Takže. OK, he's pretty good. OK, ja som mŕtva. Je ťažké akože meniť teraz čeština. Dobrý. Môžu rozprávať česky? OK. So takže jde na mňa bow taktikou. OK. Ja úplne mne vôbec nejde ako PvP. Dobrý. Angličtina to je zas. OK. So, English again. Okay, this will be hard. Okay, I will eat it and be more like this. Alright, oh, I got a shift. Okay, so, yeah, this girl is running away. Alright. Okay, but I can't even hit her. Okay, this should work. I want to get at least one win. Please. I don't wanna, like, people think that I'm so trash and my mouse isn't working. Yeah, alright. No. Please, no. Okay. It was so okay. Slovenčina je to zase. OK. Takže ideme teda na to. Toto je také ťažké. A ja neznášam ľudí, čo proste používajú proste lukovú taktiku. Absolútne. Ja vôbec akože sa neviem trafať lukom. Viem, ale títo ľudia sú veľmi skillnutí v PvP, takže... Takže, čo robím? OK. Toto absolútne nejde. Vôbec. Som mŕtva. Okay. So, English is it again? Okay. Then, if I die again, I will use Czech. Today, why was my... Really? Dobrý, takže je to zase čeština. Lebo jako absolútne mi to nejde. OK. Zase to si zo mňa dělají srandu, jako... OK, so, English it is again. Oh my god. Today, like, this video will end if I win one time. I don't know what's happening. Just like, how can you do that? Like, isn't it like, I don't think it's like normal. Oh, he's running away. He is running away. Oh, right. So. Oh. So we are using this on me again. We are going for a win today. I feel it in my bones that we will win. OK. Takže slovenčina je to zase. Ospravedlňujem sa, ak som sa vlastne úplne, že pomýlila. Najprv som mala češtinu, ale takto. OK. So, takže ideme... Úprimne parkour mi ide o mnoho lepšie. Neznášam ľudí, čo používajú tu akože oných... Čo používajú luky. To je najhoršia vec, čo môžu používať. Moja myška absolútne nefunguje a môžem sa na to vyhovoriť, lebo keď klikám, proste neklikám. Takže je to čeština znova. Jo, jako... tohle je veľmi ťažké. Jo, jako... English it is again. And now it's only a bow battle. Oh no. But I think how I see it, yeah, I will die because I am not good at bows at all. This was the... OK, takže slovenčina je to zase. OK, takže prečo používaš kušu? Zase. Jenom jedno srdíčko. Jako vážne. Ja chci ísť znova. Jako, OK. Tohle je proste už... Toto už jako musím vyhrať. Lebo... Because I don't know... How can you still get like 10 hearts? Like your... Jako... Tvoje regenerácia je strašne rýchla. A lot of players have a cheats. Like... OK. Takže... So... I won. So... The video ends. Okay guys. Thank you for watching and see me like fail again till I didn't won. And yeah, so a long time ago I talked about that that I'm on a quest, and that quest is that I want to be like good at PvP and became one of the best Bedrock Minecraft players. Not like in a woman, like a woman that plays PvP. So I hope you guys will follow me on the journey and see you guys later. Bye bye.